This is a Blender tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to enable proportional editing in Blender 3.6. Super simple. So I'm gonna show you first the shortcut. But before doing that, also let's add a cube, or also why not, let's add this monkey. Alright, so let's scale this by 2. And now, if you click on O, okay, let's enable screencast O. You see here you can enable or disable proportional editing. If you by mistake, when you, when you're editing your mesh, when you work with your mesh and you press on your keyboard O, you will enable proportional editing. Now if you are in edit mode, let's say we also can add some right click and add some subdivide this monkey. Now if you grab, well, you want to affect only this vertices here, compressor G, and now as you can see, if we press on O and press G, we can enable, we can affect more or we can affect less. Alright, it's very simple and it's very useful. Let's say we want to change here this ear. You can do this with proportional editing. Alt and Z. If you want to do it like this, just enable toggle X-ray. That's the shortcut, but here in proportional editing we have more. Maybe if you want the sphere, and now we select grab, but it's more of a sphere, as you can see. From here we have a linear, maybe sharp. Let's try, and as you can see now we have more of a sharp. And from here you can change. You can also do it from here manually to enable proportional editing. Now proportional size we can change from here, or we can also use random. Now we can also try project it from view, but usually what I like is just like this. But now as you can see it's random, and this is what it does, which looks interesting, that's for sure. You can also change this if you use random, but you also have constant, linear, sharp, inverse, square, root, sphere, or smooth. We can also, if you want to read the manual, if you right click here and you have here online manual, you can also select a feature in Blender option, and if you press on your keyboard F1, then this will lead to the online manual for this feature, for this proportional editing. And you can also see here the shortcut, as you can see here, we have it there. And yeah, I really hope you found this short tutorial helpful, and now you can turn on proportional editing and you can use it in your project. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next Blender tutorial.